everybody, we're back for another video today, and it is an unboxing, something that I haven't really done that much of in a while. Well, I take that back. I did one a few weeks ago of this beautiful little passport that I got myself, but this is actually something that is going to be gifts. They're going to be for my mother and my mother-in-law. They don't watch my YouTube channel, so there's no, they won't see it because, you know, anyways. But I've been giving my mother and my mother-in-law traveler's notebooks and calendars probably since around 2016. Right now my mother has a Foxy Fix in the, it's a soft pink. It's very similar to the leather that MLG & Co. uses. They're like blush pink ballet slipper. I think it was called like Mochi or something like that. My mother-in-law has a Chic Sparrow in the pocket size and the Allie Brown Joy. But she also has, actually both of them, my mother and my mother-in-law have Webster's Pages. They're in a like a caramelly sort of color, like a light brown in the standard size. And so my mother's is in the personal size, the Foxy Fix, and that's what she's been using and she likes. So I got something here and we're going to do an experiment. So let's first see what's in the box. All I did was cut open the tape. And so the first thing you'll see is there's a card here. It says print Pression. And it says, thank you. Start achieving your goals today in a creative way with your new hashtag Print Pression Planner. I can't wait to see how you start using your new setup. XO Kane. So that's really, it's a really nice plastic too. It's one of those like soft plastics. So we'll set that aside. And let's pull this out because it's, I think this is the receta. Kane recently had a release of some new items, but I wasn't looking for, or the size that I was looking for, they didn't have in the new collection, but I did find something in the old collection, and this is like probably from like a little over a year ago. And since my mother is using the personal size and my mother-in-law uses pocket sometimes and standard sometimes, I thought the personal size would be good for both of them. And I wanted to get a cute little color. Ooh. So this is, it's called the Hobonichi Weeks wide size. It's in a metallic blue, which actually is really beautiful. And it was all of like $4.99. They had them in blue, silver, and gold. And the blue is just this pearlescent-y looking robin egg color. And so you can see it has like the folio side over here and a pocket, and then it has the crisscross pockets like Foxy Fix has. That is actually really nice. Now, the reason I went with the Hobonichi Weeks size is my mother uses a personal size traveler's notebook, and that's what I have right here. And I make calendars in the personal size, and I was wondering, like, look at that. I think that might fit in here. So here's a monthly. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think you can use personal size inserts inside of this folio by, oh my goodness, look at that. That is flippin' fantastic. Sorry about the noise. I got a email text. But all my mother and mother-in-law carry is they carry a monthly calendar, and they carry like a grid notebook or a dot grid notebook. And this insert cover of mine looks beautiful with it. So when I make their calendars for them for 2022, I might use this insert. And then of course make them a new dot grid or grid. This is I think Paper Penguin Co. Yeah, Tomoe River, like one of those 180 pages or something. But look at that. So just so you can see, I got 2 of the same thing. They're actually really beautiful. I have one item by Kane that I use. And I actually still have it set up. It's a pocket ring. And I have it set up for the fall. It hasn't really, the setup in this hasn't really changed much. I've got a monthly calendar. There we are in August. Some daily or weekly pages, cleaning trackers for projects, or a day on 2 pages, some content planner, some grid, a grocery guide, spending tracker, just a few things for if I want to move into pocket rings. I actually really like, for them being a non-leather item, because everyone knows I've been in cork a lot lately because of some of the feelings that I've been having regarding the some of the feelings that I've been having regarding the leather items. But I think this is going to work really well, and I think we will give one of these to my mother-in-law this next week because it is her birthday. And just so you can see, each of them comes in a bag, and it says print Pression on there. It's like printed on there. So that was today's unboxing. Just something small, but just so if you're looking for something, say you do like the Hobonichi Weeks, but you also like personal size traveler's notebook, this is the Hobonichi Weeks wide, will work perfect with the personal size traveler's notebook. So I will link print Pression down below, and if you have any questions, just please leave a comment and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful week and stay safe. Bye-bye.